Hello everyone, welcome to a totally different episode to what we normally used to. This one's going to be special. I hope you enjoy this as well as much as I'm going to enjoy this.
Sold on approval. New bidder. This is a hot lot.
Right, what's happening is you would have seen the car being purchased. I've literally bought a car from Copart for my son. What better way of doing something? Normally that's all I do is buy cars, repair them, sell them. If I'm lucky, make a bit of profit, but more or less make a loss on most cars. But I put so much time and effort into it. Why don't I put some time and effort into my son's car? And that's what I'm doing. He doesn't know it yet, but we've bought a VW Polo from Copart as his first car. He hasn't passed his test yet. So this is all going to be a surprise, and I'm hoping that he's going to help repair it on the channel, because it's going to be his car. I want him to get involved and hopefully learn how to do things. I'm not going to be around forever, and I would like to pass on some of my knowledge to him, and hopefully he can carry on. You know, I wish I'd had something like that when I was his age, and unfortunately my father wasn't interested in cars. But obviously I didn't follow that way. He's not really interested in cars. He likes cars, he just knows how to drive them and things, but he's never been interested in fixing anything. So this is going to be a challenge for him. It's probably a challenge for me as well, trying to keep my patience with him, because he can be a pain, I could tell you. He's been on the channel before doing solar panels with me and things. Anyway, this is going to be a surprise. Like I said, he doesn't know. He's due home soon, so my wife is going to ring me when he comes home, and I'm going to film him. Hopefully I'm going to film him coming down from that path down there. So that is the theory behind it. Let me show you the car and what's turned up. It turned up today. I had it delivered via Copart as well, so everything was through them. It come from Bristol, and I had everything delivered, and to be fair, it was really cheap, guys, to be fair, compared to what I normally pay for to have someone deliver it to me. So I can't complain. It's only going to be a cheap run around. It's a cracking little car. I tell you what, I'd be happy for the car, I guess, for my first car. He really wanted this, but I'm never going to be able to ensure that for him properly. And I wanted a diesel, so better fuel economy for him. There's no ULEZ around in my area, so it makes no difference. Okay. Let's flick you around and show you the car before he comes, because I want to film his reaction when he sees it. I can't. I hope he likes it. It took me a while to find a car like this. I bidded on a few and kept either losing them or it just wasn't quite right. Anyway, let's get into the car. Right, as you've seen, it's a Polo. I think it's a match TDI. 12 plate cars, no number plates on it. I haven't taken them off, they just weren't on it. It had private plates on it. It's got tinted black windows. It's got the spoiler on the back. If you're a boy racer, you'd on the first car, and it is, yeah, that is a proper spoiler for the car. It's a 1.2 diesel because it's a smaller engine. It's got really good tyres, what I can make out, what I've seen all around. The alloys are a bit scuffed, but I should imagine they're going to clean, but he's going to do all this. I'm not going to do any of it. It is a bit raised this side for some reason. I don't know whether the brakes are sticking on. It's got good tyres. I think the brakes are probably seized on it slightly. It is run and drive, 1 key. No, I don't think there's any service history with it. And that is the damage. The headlight's sticking out there. Come around, the headlight's pushed in there. I was hoping from the pictures the wing wasn't damaged. There's a slight little buckle there, but this wing is pushed in slightly, so we can fix that. That's not an issue. Got a flat tyre. I'm hoping this tyre will pump up and it'll be fine. It all depends if it's not damaged behind. I think the wheel is all straight. It hasn't been damaged. There's good tread on this tyre as well. This headlight is totally broken, but I have got headlights from the Polo, because if you remember I bought new ones for this one and took the old ones and kept them, so I've got an headlight. So we can just, I know the tabs are broken on that headlight, but we can get a repair kit, which I will do. So I've already got an headlight for this, so that's sorted. The grille is all smashed. I've already got the grille from that one, which is just a black grille that can go on there. So far we're going to need a bumper, slams around because that's all smashed. All the leg looks straight. There's no damage to that, but this crash bar would need replacing. This is all bent. We're going to need a new one of these. Really straightforward repair. It's a category N. The MOT history is a bit shady. It failed a few times on little silly things. I'm not really bothered. At the end of the day, I love fixing stuff, and this is going to be something I think he's going to really like. It's not going to be a waste of money then, because it's going to be for his car. He's going to be keeping it a long time, hopefully. Whatever needs to be done on it, I'm going to fix, so it's going to be mint when he's driving it. It's going to be an absolute mint car, hopefully, when it's done. It's not the cleanest inside. Just got to watch our wing. Show you there. I'll take it around the other side. It's not the cleanest car, obviously, and it is really dirty, so it doesn't really smell. Show you the back. We're lucky enough, got a partial shelf, so it's a bonus. We have got mats and we have got the plates there, but they are a private plate. It's not on the car no more, and because it's my son's car, I don't really want to show the number plate if I can help it. Locking wheel nut. Happy days. Right, and we've got a spare wheel. It's all looks tidy. To be honest though, if the owner does recognise the car, get in contact with me. Let me know if you've got any service history. It'd be a bonus, because I've never had anyone. I tell a lie, the Audi S1, the owner got in contact with me, but we never really exchanged anything else. But he did contact me, sent me pictures of the car before we had the accident. It's done. Right, for a diesel, I don't think this is much. 98,000 miles, which is hardly anything for a diesel. Okay, I thought, oh great, we're missing the radio. Look at this. I seen it in the pictures. We have got the original stereo, so that's a bonus. Hopefully this will go in and it'll run the code in. Yes. It all goes to having a good car, really, doesn't it? Any service history? I doubt it. I'm never that bloody lucky. I don't think I've ever had a car with service history. This car I've had a few owners, so I did do an HPI check this time, so I wanted to make sure it was right. It has got quite a few fails, like I said, which isn't a problem. I don't really bother about the MOTs. I can fix that. And it was more the mileage and the history of the car. I've had 6 owners, I think, which is quite a lot. But the car, you know, is a 12 plate car now, so it's getting on a bit. Do you want to listen to the engine running? Let's start it up. Now, I would imagine it's probably had not a lot of service changes and that. I don't know. Who knows? It's ticking over quite nice. The oil is a little bit dirty, because I wouldn't start the car without checking the oil first. I've got good vibes on this one, guys, I gotta be honest. And what makes it better is if I can get away with a bumper in colour. This bonnet is only bent in here. It is out of line. That might be the hinges, or it just might be out of line the front. Hopefully we can get away with keeping the bonnet for now. Just tidying that up because it's only bent there. And it's got there's a little dent in there somewhere over there. And the only other damage, which I'm gutted about, is it's got a little dent in the door. And I say gutted about, it's hardly anything. He's probably going to end up having more dents in it. It's a really, really nice first little car. And for the price, I can't complain. No, I was very lucky. Anyway, I don't want to go too much detail in the car because I want to film his reaction. So this is the car. I don't know why I'm whispering. I'm happy with that. Got one key. Like I said, we'll go right through it. I did notice on the MOT history it did have an oil leak. It's come up a few times, small oil leak, but it's something we can sort out. Anyway, that's enough of me talking around the car. So we get back in here. I'm going to be setting you up now because I think he's just come through the door because I got a ring doorbell and I've just been notified. I think he's home. So I'm going to set you up on the camera and see his reaction when he turns up. I really hope he likes his car. I would, to be honest, but I like cars. I think it's everything that he wanted in the car, including the colour. I didn't want another red one, guys. That's for sure. Staying away from red for a while. Okay, right. Let me set you up and we'll wait. I think he's come in. I just seen the doorbell. Ready for his reaction, guys. I hope I can get it. Oh, it must take the longest walk ever. Hey! You alright, boy?
Not too bad. What's that?
What's that? That's yours.
A ton to give you.
That's yours.
If you're joking though. Serious.
That's yours.
Seriously.
Well, yeah, obviously I'm serious. I wouldn't tell you as you wasn't do that to you, would
So
I?
I'll have this one then.
No.
Thank you, Dad. I appreciate that.
You are?
What?
That's yours. Take it for a spin. No, it's knackered. You won't take off for a spin yet.
Seriously though.
Hang on. What do you think of it?
That's not too bad, is it? I mean, the front ain't the best, is it?
Well, you said to me, you said I want a car, and I said, and you want to help me on the channel. So the only way to do that, you said, oh, I'd like to do it and do it together. So that was your point of it. This is your one to do. But you've got to do most of it yourself.
Alright.
Are you up for that?
Well, we'll see. No promises, like, but we'll see.
Do you like it?
Do I like it? It's literally like nice thing the white one you got, mate.
That's what I thought. I liked that one more myself.
Alright, slash.
You sure? So open it. Go and have a look inside. Sit in there.
What's it? God.
Come on, it's fine.
Well, good done with the clean, didn't it?
Well, that's your job now. It's all the work you got to do to
Oh,
it.
it's nice wheel as well.
I know. That's another one because it's very similar to the other line.
Oh my god, I play music on then.
You're not allowed the stereo, sorry.
No?
Yeah, you curfewed. No, the stereo is actually down the side there, so you're lucky it's still in the car. They obviously had their own in there.
So what do you think happened to this one?
Well, it obviously had a little tap on the front.
Well, a little tap, the stereo's gone.
Well, I think they just took their own out and put the original back there. But what do you think?
Well, it's not too bad. Is it?
Yeah.
Are you joking though? Seriously now?
Why would, that's just child abuse if I don't know, wouldn't it?
No, seriously though, I am shocked. You put me on the spot with the camera.
I know, but at the end of the day, I've got to, right? Because it's only once in a lifetime this is ever going to happen.
No, I know.
So that's why I done it. The only downside, and it will be, you'll understand when you get a little bit older, it's a 4-door, not 2-door, but it doesn't matter because you can't really notice.
No.
And I'd rather have a 4-door car.
Yeah.
It's better, because you don't have to get out to the car then to let your friends out. Not that you'd be having friends driving around with you anyway. Because you'd be home by 5 o'clock in the afternoon, you're not out any later.
Yeah, no, that's not happening.
Start it up. It'll start.
No.
Put the key in. Come on, let's hear that raspy 1.2
Does
diesel.
it even start?
Of course it starts. I wouldn't buy it if it didn't start. Well, I don't know. I've bought worse.
You think?
Yeah.
That's not bad, is it?
It needs a bit of work. It needs a lot of work. You're going to do a lot of it, right? That was what you said. You said, Dad, I'd love to do a car, but I'll help you on the channel doing it. Yeah? So that's...
Yeah.
Yeah?
I regret saying that now. You're gonna have me doing the gearbox, man.
I'm going to have you doing most of it, but the only downside, a lot of these are going to watch as well. They're going to watch you do it. So you're going to have to get used to being on the camera. Okay?
Yeah.
That's fair enough, innit?
I suppose it's right. Well, thank you very much. I didn't expect it.
That's alright. As long as you're happy. Yeah, good man. As long as you're really
That's
happy.
not a bad first car, is it?
Well, I'd be happy with that.
Happy, I'm chuffed.
Yeah? You happy with the colour?
Nah.
No, I'd rather
no,
pink.
It's lush. It is lush. Honestly,
Right.
it's literally the perfect colour, everything.
Stay there. Right, let me end this. Right, guys. I think that's the result. He's happy. I'm gonna bring my wife down now. We'll make more videos on it later. Obviously, stay tuned for more, and hopefully you'll see my son on the channel rebuilding his own car. Fingers crossed. He'd probably lumber me into doing a lot of the work, but I would imagine I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna get him to do most of it. Take it for a spin, boy. Forget the brake now. Go on, you can go back a bit more. You're alright.
Oh, I know. I just looked in.
Go on, go forward again if you want. Practice. It's a lovely looking car, Tom.
I know.
And that is a nice car. Careful, don't kill me. Right, stop. Don't want to smash it anymore. Your side light out. You chuffed Tommy out.
Yeah. I can't work stuff, mine, but it's not too bad. I need to stop saying it's not too bad. Well, it's class. I know it's class.
Are they done up tight now?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's better already, innit?
Oh yeah. Well, it's better than it being on the floor, isn't it? Right, stop filming now because I don't know how to put this back on.
Go on, you're doing alright.
Right, do you want to cut now, Dad? Or do you want to cut, please? There you are.
There we go. Sorted. Well done. Small win.
Yes, it's the first thing done now.
You know what? That was doing your head in, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Got nice looks already, just by putting the stereo back in. Anyway, you gonna say so long?
Yeah.
See you all and catch you all in a bit, guys. Bye. Say goodbye.
I can't believe it.
Take it for a spin, boy.